I tell you what, that fill job is absolutely amazing. And in today's video, we're going to teach you how to fill plaster coving. Now this is the special stuff, this is cornice, and we bought this from plastercoving.co.uk. And I think you'll agree, the boys have done a fantastic job. Enjoy the video, ta-da!
Right, we're going to learn how to fill in the screw marks.
Well, a cleaner way of doing it. You can do it like this, or you can do it on top of a cabinet.
So is that just a little pop?
Yeah, it's a little pot to stare at. So we just knock it up, lasts about 5-10 minutes.
Oh, it doesn't last long?
Nah, it goes off quick.
Oh, so you wouldn't want to knock up bigger batch than really that?
Yeah, that's why a lot of people do it on their corkers, sorry, on here.
Right.
Straight off the bat, but the thing is, if we do that, it just gets everywhere.
And what are you using?
Casting plaster, same stuff it's made out of.
Right.
So once it goes off, it all just goes white.
Oh, and it starts that sort of creamy colour.
Yeah, it'll go brown a little bit, and then it'll just, once it starts properly drying off, within like a day or two,
Start actually going
it'll
white.
come in and it'll just be all white, mate. So I do it quite thick, so I can do this. I'll try and use some thick stuff.
And then rubbing it in, rubbing it in your day.
Flush it in, rub it in if I need to. And you just get a little cover over it, and then afterwards just give it a little rub down.
What, with the sandpaper or?
Yeah, sanding block.
Okay.
So it's a little light sanding block, you don't want anything too aggressive, because it just cuts out too much.
There you go. That is the finished article for that corner that we was just talking about. And just cracking on with the rest. Now, get that